Sneezing and coughing are a real danger not only in times of coronavirus. Around 90% of influenza virus infections are caused by droplet infection via the air we breathe. Scientists of the Finnish Aalto University have created a 3D model of a supermarket that shows the effect of unprotected coughing or sneezing on the immediate environment. These findings can also be applied to comparable environments, such as fitness studios or other indoor sports facilities with open spaces, high rooms, and air conditioning. These are ideal conditions for doing something good for yourself and your body. Wouldn't there be an invisible risk that always trains with you? If, for example, a participant infected with the coronavirus coughs during a spinning class, the coughed up viruses are distributed as an aerosol cloud throughout the classroom and remain infectiously present in the air for up to 5 minutes. This also applies to the freely training areas with weights and machines. Just one cough is enough to spread the viruses over several meters in the gym. Show your members and employees that their health is close to your heart and that your gym is prepared for the new challenges of the current corona pandemic. Efficient air purification gives your customers a good and safe feeling during training and pays off for you as an owner through long-term member loyalty. To significantly reduce the risk of infection in the gym, Trotec recommends the use of a high-performance air purifier with H14 HEPA filter. This effectively filters 99.995% of influenza and coronaviruses from the air we breathe and reduces the risk of infection in closed rooms to a minimum. Feel free to visit our homepage at trotec.com.